On the evening of July 3, 2025, at approximately 8:15 p.m., Bakersfield police officers responded to a call reporting an assault that had just occurred at the Walmart located at 5075 Gosford Road. When officers arrived, they were directed to Dejane Holmes by store security, who identified her as a suspect in the assault, which occurred inside of the Walmart. Officers encountered Holmes outside of the store and first attempted to calmly engage with her and understand the active situation. They noticed she was keeping one hand concealed in her purse and not responding to their efforts to communicate. Recognizing the need for caution, officers gave Holmes space and spent several minutes speaking with her, working to de-escalate the situation and encourage a peaceful outcome. Despite these attempts, Holmes suddenly pulled a knife from her purse and charged toward the officers. In response to the immediate threat, tasers were unsuccessfully deployed by officers, and an officer-involved shooting occurred. The following body-worn camera footage is from one of the witness officers who deployed their taser.
Right, in order for me to know what's going on with you, I need you to take your hand out of your pocket. Okay? That way we can talk, we can...
Get you help, Nene. I'm right here.
Your mama is here with us.
I'm
We're
right
trying
here,
to
Nene.
get you some help,
Don't
okay?
make nothing worse than it is. It's not real.
It is real.
It's not real, baby.
Hey, Nene. We
Just
here.
take your hand out of the... Sorry! Nene!
The following body-worn camera footage is from the officer who fired during this incident.
Help, Nene. I'm right here.
Your mama's here with us.
I'm right here, Nene.
Get you some
Don't
help,
make
okay?
nothing worse than it is. It's not real.
It is real.
It's not real, baby.
Hey, Nene.
Just take your hand out of the... Sorry! No!
It was determined that the suspect was approximately 10 feet away from the involved officer at the time of the shooting. Officers quickly rendered aid, and Holmes was transported to a local hospital. The knife recovered at the scene was collected as evidence. On July 16, 2025, Holmes was booked into the Laredo jail facility for charges including assault and assault with a deadly weapon on a peace officer.